Hello and welcome to the channel, Forest Arts. Okay, today I'm working on a glass project. So, what I'm going to do is, on this clear glass, we're going to do a liquid pour, and it should look absolutely amazing. But this is the very first one I've done, so we'll see. I'm using this perfect tray because it's going to collect a lot of drip. So I've mixed up the paints here, and I'm just going to pour all the paint into here. First of all, I just want to say thank you for joining and tuning in today, wherever you are in the world. It's a miserable day if you live in the UK. It's grey and it's raining. So what better than to watch an inspirational art and craft video? Okay, so let's get mixing. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of black first. I wanted to use 3 or 4 different shades of greens and reds, but I didn't have them. So we're going to use what we've got, which is two different shades of green, a lighter one and a darker one. I've got to be careful now with too much of this. Let's have some of that red. Some more green there. I'm just going to pour it all in because not too much black there. Okay, a little bit more red. Might as well pour it all in because it would be a shame to waste it. Let's have that white now. And finish off with any greenness left. Just a bit. Okay, I'm just going to go from my hands. Okay, so I'm just going to let this sit. Look at that, just full of beautiful colour. I'm just going to let it sit for a little while and then we'll do its pour. So I'm excited and intrigued as to how this is going to look, to be honest with you. So if you do one of these yourself, you just want to get a beaker or something to put inside the vase so that it's raised and so that all the paint's going to drip right down to the edge. So I must try not to shake the table because it'll shake the camera. I've got the light on today and it don't look too bad. It's not looking orange like it did before, so I'm happy about that. If you like what you see in my videos, then please like, share with your family, share with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Then you shall be notified of any new video that I upload, and I would really appreciate the sub. Anyway, so what are you all doing today? Are you having a good day? The world is going crazy every single day with everything that's going on in it, which I'm not going to talk about. There's a lot of green here. I hope I haven't put too much green in, but we'll see. This is the very first one, so if it doesn't come how I want to do it, then I've got another way of how I could do it. So we'll see. It's going to look better than a plain, boring, clear vase, I think, anyway. Okay, I might even do what's known as a tree ring pour to get that effect actually. So are you ready to go? Are you ready to rock and roll? Come on then, let's have a look. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna give it a tree ring pour. Hey, that's looking really good actually, because I think that'll give it a really good. Turn it around a bit if you want a certain colour. Let's have a look. Hey, that's looking really interesting actually. I know you can't see the full effect at the moment, but it's dripping all down and it's created that beautiful abstract look, and it's all going directly off the lip of the vase, which is what it should do. Not too bad. I think perhaps a little bit too much. Well, I don't know actually. It's the colours are actually beginning to pop now. One thing I haven't set up is my heat gun, so let me go and do that. I'll be back shortly. Okay, got the extension lead. Do apologise for this, folks. Let me just, I thought I got it in, but I didn't. So this will only take a few seconds. The only trouble is where I've got my table. There isn't a socket around. So that means I have to pull the ones from the hi-fi. Yes, I'm one of those people that have got a hi-fi to listen to music beautifully. Audiophile, I think they call it. People that love the sound of quality music. Okay, that's just dripping down beautifully now. I'm just going to put the heat gun on. Not too much. Haven't got much lead here. I've got to get the socket. Just to get rid of any air bubbles. That's done. It didn't need a lot of work, did it really? Okay, so that's looking really good. I'm just going to disconnect this now. Butcher fingers. Okay, hold on folks. Let's just push it back. Back shortly. Okay, sorry for that, but I like to get things put away when I think about it. Oh, we've got all this paint left, look. That can only mean one thing. It's time to do something else. I can't waste it. Now here's a little thing, look. It doesn't really matter, but as I was mixing some paint, a little bit of white went there and there, but it doesn't matter because that is still in the making. But it's just something to be wary about. Let me just stick that on the floor for now. Okay, folks. Excuse me. I'm just checking it all now. Let me just go and get a brush. Okay, I just want to take off those drips. Although they are dripping, so perhaps I shall leave it. I don't want to interfere with it. That's looking really beautiful. I can see, you probably can't see, but I will upload photos on the end of this video, so do watch for the those beautiful images. But oh wow, I've just noticed, look at the cells forming in there. Hang on, I'm just wiping the paint. I don't want to put paint on my shirt. So there's beautiful pink. The red has mixed with the white and become a little bit lighter and infused together. And you've got pink going right down with the green, and that black has really done an amazing job of almost putting veins in it like a sheet of marble. I'm really happy, and I've got some beautiful shapes there. And when you pour it out, you know, you keep going like that, it's called a tree ring pour, and it can look really effective. I'm going to move this now over there to dry, because I want to put something else there so I can sort of carry on. So let's just, I'm going to freeze this now, and I just want to say thank you for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and please do join me on the next project, which is coming very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.